Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set split screen in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, in your phone, open any app. Here I open Google Play Store. For split screen with 3 fingers, just swipe up and screen will be split into 2 parts. In the another part, you can open another app. Here I open Google Chrome. So 2 parts is now 2 parts are available. Okay, first part is Google Play Store and second part is Google Chrome. Okay, if you want to adjust the split area, just adjust like this, and yes, first area will be small, second area will be large. Okay, second part will be large. Okay, suppose if you want to reverse the area, that is if you would like to go to that is if you would like to use Google Chrome in the first part and Google Play Store in the second part, yes, just you can swap. Okay, just click on these 3 dots and click on swap sides, so that first part will come to the second part will go to the first. Okay, if you would like to turn off split, just again you got to swipe up with 1 finger like this, and second part will be the main part and it will be in the full screen. Okay, so again if you would like to use split screen, just swipe up with the 3 fingers and just open another app. Okay, so in this way just you can set split screen in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.